Hi friends, let's look at another question I'm having here with me. The question says solve the equation 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 3 for the value of 0 must be less than or equal to theta and the value of theta must less than or equal to 360. So in this case we are asked to solve, we are not asked to prove anything here, but we are asked to solve. Definitely we are going to solve. So in this case what was the first thing? Actually, we need to recall trigonometry identity here in this case because we are having an identity here. That's sine theta, right? So in this case now, I can recall that my sine square theta equals to 1 minus what? Cos square theta. Can you see now? Then putting it here, right? I'm having what? 2 into brackets 1 minus what? Cos square theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 3, right? So the next thing here is that I can open the brackets. I'm having 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta equals to what? 3, right? So the next thing is that I can collect like time actually. I'm having what? Minus 2 cos square theta, right? Plus what? Plus 3 cos theta equals to 3 minus 2. Then what's the next thing? I'm having minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 3 minus 3 is 1. Then let's bring this one here. Show that we have what? Minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta minus 1 equals to what? 0. Right? So the next thing here is just that we can see let P to be equal to cos theta. Right? So now because we are having two cos, we can actually replace them by what? By just a single variable. So here we have what? We have minus 2p squared, right? Plus what? Plus 3p minus 1 equals to 0. Can you see it now? So this is what? This is a polynomial of degree 2, right? So in this case, we are going to get two number of roots, according to fundamental law of algebra. But in this case now, if you look at this is a quadratic equation, right? And what method can we use? In this case, you can actually use what? Factorization method. You can use factorization method, right? So right now I'll be using factorization method to get the value of p. So then let's go ahead and factorize. In this case, I'll be factorizing this to be what? Minus 2p squared, right? Plus 2p plus p minus 1 equal 0. Can you see that? Then here, what's common factor here? The common factor here is actually what? Minus 2p into bracket what? Into bracket p minus 1, right? Plus 1 into bracket p minus 1 equals to 0. Okay? So now in this case, I'm having what? Minus 2p plus 1 equals to 0. This and this equals to 0. Or what? Or the 2 inside bracket, that's p minus 1 equals to 0 actually. Can you see now? So in this case, I'm having minus 2p equals to minus 1 or p equals to what? 1. Then the next thing is that minus cancel minus, so I'm having what? P equals to what? 1 over 2 or p equals to what? 1. If you're following me, guys. Then in this case, I can actually recall what's the value of my p. My p is something. P is what? Is cos theta, right? So in this case now, cos theta equals to what? 1 over 2 or cos theta equals to what? 1. Okay? So what's the next thing? I'll make my theta is the formula of the relation rather. So theta, find the value of what? Of theta. Theta equals to what? Cos inverse of what? 1 over 2 or theta equals to cos inverse of 1, right? So now let's press our calculator and get the value of what? Of theta. So in this case now, cos inverse of what? Of 1 over 2 is what? That's 60, right? So theta equals to 60 or theta equals to, let's check, cos inverse of what? Of 1. That's 0, right? So theta equals to what? 60 and theta equals to 0. So now if you look at this, come back to this question. The question says the value of theta must be what? 0 must less than or equal to what? Theta. Or theta must less than or equal to what? 360. Now in this case, we are getting two values for theta. The first one is what? Is 60, and second one is what? 0. So these are the value of what? Of the theta that we are asked what? To calculate for. Thanks for watching.